Let's fill out the Michigan Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong, the VIN. Type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now, the sale price, in our example, $8,500, and how it's paid. Here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. If you're selling or buying a vehicle in Michigan, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale requirements. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. All owners listed on the title must sign the document before the vehicle can be transferred. So if there are multiple owners, every single one of them needs to put their signature on it. Now, the seller will need to provide proof of Michigan no-fault insurance as part of the process. When it comes to the odometer, the seller must complete the odometer statement on the document. This is an important step, so don't skip it. For the sale price, you'll need to include the full purchase price or the fair market value, whichever is greater. Keep that in mind because it could affect the next point. Speaking of which, buyers should be aware that a 6% sales tax may apply, depending on the situation. If there's a lien on the vehicle, you'll need either a lien termination statement or the title signed off by the lien holder before the transfer can move forward. Once the sale is done, the title transfer needs to be submitted within 15 days from the date of the sale. The title transfer fee is $15. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.